Okay, so summer 2017, numeracy unit 1, non-calculator. Question 1 then. So Sean wrote the following: for the last 7 days, I have recorded the number of cars parked in my local car park at 10 AM each day. This is what I found. The car park always has some cars in it. The greatest number of cars was 11. The range was 8 cars, the median was 9 cars, the mode was 10 cars. On one day there were 6 cars in the car park, on another day there were 7 cars in the car park. Gareth asked what was the mean number of cars in the car park at 10 AM for these 7 days. So we want to complete here Sean's reply to Gareth's question, and we've got to list these 7 numbers. Now let's take first bullet point. So the car park always has some cars parked in it, so we're not going to have 0 for any of the 7 days. Greatest number of cars was 11. So when we list our numbers here, we need to put them in order, don't we? Ideally ascending order. So we put 11 right at the end here, because that will be the greatest that we're going to have. So we've dealt with that bullet point. And then it says the range was 8 cars. Okay, remember, range, quite simply, is the highest take away the lowest. Yeah. Okay, so in this case, if the range turns out to be 8, right? Now we know the highest is 11, don't we? We had that from the first bullet point. The greatest is the same thing as highest. So we've got to think, well, what's the lowest going to be? What are we taking away to get this range of 8? And of course, you're going to take away 3, aren't you? That will give you a range of 8. So the lowest has to be 3. Okay, 3 cars, and you've got a range there of 8. Right, so then it says the median was 9 cars. Now remember, the median is the one in the middle. Okay, so we'd write 9 here, right in the middle. And then what have we got here? It says the mode was 10 cars. Okay, so mode, right? Mode means, of course, most, doesn't it? Sounds very similar to most. So 10 has got to come up more than once, basically. Okay. So we can put it there, and we can put it there, okay? In fact, 10 is only going to come up twice, the way I see this now, because this here is our median, don't forget, right? That's got to be in the center, right? And if this is in the center, that means we must have 3 numbers this side, and 3 numbers that side, if that makes sense. So then we have our number then in the middle, giving us 7 numbers in total. It says then on one day there were 6 cars in the car park. So, and then what's it say then? On another day there were 7 cars in the car park. So 6 and 7 is what fills those gaps. And you can see then we've got 7 days, median's 9, and we've met all the bullet points. So then it says we would need to work out the mean number of cars. So to get the mean, you need to add them up. Okay, so 3 plus 6 plus 7 plus 9 plus 10 plus 10 plus 11. And divide that by how many are there. Okay, so obviously there's going to be 7 there, 7 days. So if we add this up, obviously non-calculator, 3 plus 6 is 9, plus 7 is 16, plus 9 is 25, plus 10 is 35, plus 10 is 45, plus 11 is 56. Okay, so this would be 56, and of course that's divided by 7, and 7 goes into 56 8 times. Okay, so we can fill this in up here. The mean number of cars in the car park at 10 AM for these 7 days was 8 cars.